Today's diesel trucks require diesel exhaust fuel, or DEF, to be added to the exhaust gases to clean up the emissions. The trucks have a separate tank for the DEF and for the diesel fuel. On my truck, the blue cap on the left needs to be unscrewed to add the DEF to its tank. Diesel fuel is added to its tank through the green inlet on the right. The DEF inlet is smaller in diameter than the diesel inlet. Therefore, it is possible to put DEF into the diesel tank, but not to put diesel into the DEF tank. Here's what happened to me. I pulled up to the pump and got the DEF hose out. Before I had unscrewed the DEF cap, a trucker pulled right up in front of me and yelled, "Why don't you get on the other side?" The pump only served my side. In order to hurry things up, I stuck the nozzle into the inlet and rushed into the station to have them turn on the pump. When I got back, I turned on the pump. When it only took 2 gallons and I knew that I needed 4 gallons, I realized that I had just put DEF into the diesel tank. Being unaware of the consequences, I drove directly across the street to the dealership. This is Frank Henderson. He's the service manager for our Lakeshore Chrysler dealership here in Montague, Michigan, where I bought my truck.
At this point, you wouldn't want to start the vehicle. You would want to get it towed to the nearest dealer. If you start the vehicle, within 30 seconds, you're going to end up with an issue that is going to cost you a lot of money to do that. So do not start the vehicle if you realize you've done this before you started the car.
Here is the cost of the repair. It's been sitting here for 13 weeks so far, and we still do not have all the parts to make the repairs. But here is the silver lining. Lakeshore Chrysler has been fantastic. They have furnished me with a truck to drive so I can continue to take care of my animals and the ranch. Frank suggested that I contact my insurance company, and to my delight, Auto Owners Insurance has paid for all the repairs except for the deductible. I hope this will help someone else avoid this kind of a problem. Please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.